What's
We
the
have
last
Tuesday
year that
one.
they produced a $2 bill? Because I've not seen one in forever.
I don't know.
They still have to be making them. Uncle Chris
Yeah.
brings them for my kids every
Does he?
once in a while.
They're out there. I
But
think you got to
who
ask
knows?
for them.
He may not
They
be
could
doing
be
it legitimately.
Making.
He might not.
I've never been in his basement.
He's got his 2 printer. Gunk.
Yeah, might be a little to live and die in LA.
You know who checks these? Nobody.
Nobody cares.
Nobody.
The 2 is the greatest scam going, I tell you. You got a bunch of 2s, you got a bunch of oblivious people willing to take 2s.
Everybody wants your two. You know why? They put it in a frame. They frame it. They don't cash. Who cashes your $2 bill?
You got change for a 2? Said no one ever.
Nobody ever. Hey, let's try power between the two of us.
What are you making the 2s for? I'll handle it. I
tell you-
called the Fed. I said, you guys, I got this. I'll do the 2s.
Don't worry.
You ever see somebody's wallet open up and there's a 2 in it, and they're like saving it for some reason, like it's Confed money or something? They're like, "What are you
I
doing with
might
that?"
be one of those people.
You have a 2 in your
Not
wallet?
anymore. Not.
Why did people save them?
No,
They're always going to be worth 2.
if that.